full-time job of doing nothing. You've chosen the correct profession to aspire to. Come on up on stage, Gopal Iyer.
Hey, she likes you, man. She said,
wow, thank you. At least clap for me then. Actually, everybody clap a little more, I will give $20.
But she's single as well.
Who clap? Bloody applause slut. I didn't know the... Sorry?
$20 not enough.
Yeah, that's what I said, no applause slut.
Flash your dimple, I'll give you 30.
I can stay like this for the next 4 minutes.
Ladies, we have to control ourselves.
The thing is, I didn't expect the lights to be so bright, you know. It's like watching a fucking Suraj Barjatiya movie. But you know, today is the day. Today is the day for us. We've dreamt of this from our childhood. Somebody would ask you at school, what do you want to do? मैं इंजीनियर बनूंगा, मैं डॉक्टर बनूंगा, मैं स्टेज पे खड़े होकर गंदे जोक्स बोलूंगा. I bloody love it. And you know, while some of us comedians stand here and feel as ignored as Arvind Kejriwal during his hunger strike, I'm sure there are like boyfriends and husbands in the audience who are like sitting and thinking, I could have watched the rerun of MTV Roadies at home. But they're still here. You know why? Hell hath no fury like that of a woman whose plans have been cancelled. It's vicious. One of these days it's gonna get murderous. You know, the guy will come home and she'll be all ready. Baby, chale? And he'll be like, no, I'm tired. I wanna just stay home and rest a little. And suddenly it'll turn into a movie scene from Kill Bill. She'll be like, you're tired? Wanna rest? Then die. Finish. But then that's the married man. And there are the single guys. You know, single guys are a different species in themselves. Single guys get excited at the first sight of human mammary glands. It's as simple as that. It's science. Cleavage, side boob, upper boob, lower boob, man boob. Their brains stop working. Rumor has it, Vivek Oberoi once saw Aishwarya Rai's side boob, done. He picked up a fight with Salman Khan. He must have lost his brains, right? But then after that, they're like women in the audience, very beautiful women. I won't mention the ugly ones, I want you to clap for me. They are like trying to not laugh too hard on the fart jokes. But sometimes, unfortunately, what happens is in them trying to control their laughter, they fart themselves. But everything said and done, to the single people, I just want to give you a message. I just want to tell you that internet does not ask you questions. Internet understands you. So there is no shame in being in a full committed relationship with the internet every night. Internet will never ask you, why were you watching that slut cable TV all day? Or it will not ask you, that bitch radio you were listening to her all the time? No. But I just want to end with the quote by the great philosopher Sir Lord Mika Singh. He said, "Sari dunya meri is pe." And the next song he said, "Aur sabko main dikhaun kya chinta." What the fuck is it just me or there's something seriously wrong with this? All right, my time is up. All of you have a great night. All the single people, chinta chita later tonight. Thank you.
Ladies, he's single and अपना हाथ जगन्नाथ. Well done. Internet पे बैठ के. Ladies and gentlemen, our next open micer is, of course, another